Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Resto. So, first thing first, I got a turntable. And this thing is solar powered. It does take a battery, but um, it's got solar power. So, I don't ever have to put batteries into it. I also received some Matchbox cards. I bought a lot that was basically a junk lot. And of course, what happened? These things came in a bubble envelope. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And being put in a bubble envelope, guess what broke? So, pillar's gone. The door was already gone, but that destroyed this even further. So, that's the end of that one for right now. I may fix it if something else comes along. If not, oh well. Here is Mercedes missing a trunk. This is more likely going to end up being parts for another Mercedes or something, because I've got several of them. So I'll probably end up using this for parts for one of them. This is the, did I say Mercedes? I meant Rolls-Royce. I'm real sorry about that. This is the ergonomic cab, and I think it came with the pipes and stuff on it. This I will fix. That'll be no problem. This I will fix. Especially when the 3D printer comes along, I can print these tires. So I'll have brand new tires on it. Yeah, I didn't know that. So the field car will be restored. This is, what is it? Having a hard time seeing. I'm sorry, guys. This is the ferry crane. I think that's what it says. Obviously, it's missing the crane part and everything, but this will be one of these ones that gets restored. I think it was made in '69, something like that, but I will restore that. That will be restored, not a problem. This is the refuge truck. Now, this is another one I'll restore because I have the files to print out, 3D print the back of this. So that'll be restored. This, it's a little bent up and stuff, but I kind of bought it because I've got several of these and I need parts off of this to fix them. But this is the number 6 Ford pickup, and it crashed. So I'm going to go ahead and use this for parts. I think, let's see, for this. This is going to be a 4x4 truck, and as you can see, I've done a few things. I've taken these pieces off right here. I've also made that back window where it doesn't have any clips on it, and I've given it a paint job. But I kind of need the interior and the glass out of it. The glass I got, it's got is broke right here. Let me pull this out. But it's all cracked right here and really doesn't look that great. I'm going to have, I've already made a file of this grill, so I will be producing them pretty soon. But with the little bends in it and stuff like that, I'm not going to get excited about it. This has got the super fast wheels on it, the thicker ones, instead of little thin ones like this here. But there was like several different versions. You had one with the regular wheels like that. You had ones that had this, and then there was these wheels. The older ones had with the regular wheels, they would steer and everything. So, but this is going to be my 4x4. I've got a nice suspension set up for it. Now, I want to talk about Green Light's Sunshine Cab from the show Taxi. This is the original one I bought. It had whatever happened here with the black. And one day I went to move this car from a spot and I noticed it was wobbling. So as the wheel falls off, let me open this up real quick, because I've already drilled it out and everything, because I was trying real hard to save this car. But if you notice right here, it's all bent, and it was bent worse. I mean, it was probably bent up to probably about this high. It's all bent right there and everything, and this car was twisted. It was literally, you could rock it while it was sitting, and I didn't notice that before. So I broke down and bought a new one. Doesn't have any flaws on the paint on top here or anything. You can see the bottom side ain't bent, but there she is. So if I can manage to straighten this out, get it right where it's not looking so goofy, I might do a repaint on this, because I can get the decals. You know, I can get the decals. That's not a problem. I can make them. I got the stuff to make decals now. So that'll probably be planned for the future, but I'll change the number on it. Because if anybody knows anything about the series Taxi, 804 got wrecked. It got totaled pretty bad. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to repaint the other one, if I can get the chassis straightened out where it's not rocking, and repaint it as a Sunshine Cab, put another number on it, and call it good. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Yeah, I'm using the box to kind of cover up my mess behind it. Much more to come. Just to give you a sneak peek, there's the Kenworth. That's not my original one. This is a whole different one that's getting mud flaps, quarter fenders. I've already drilled the holes. I've got the rod. I'm going to use brass rod on there. I have taken the stacks, cut them off, and I'm making it where it'll actually go up over the trailer, so they're standing about yay tall. And I used, I don't know if you guys can see that, but hollow tube, and then I'll do the chrome and everything on it, and that'll be good. So anyways, like I said, guys, I hope you guys like this. Hit like, do subscribe, share with your friends. My Patreon is set up down below in the down below. Wanted to say comment section, but go down below. It's down there if you want to support my hobby here and see more of these videos. It would greatly appreciate the help. If not, subscribe. That'll help 100% too. So anyways, I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys on the next video.